Cauliflower.
It's nice day.
What I was doing and not, and it whispers, you're not doing enough. You'll never catch up with them. But I want to remind us today, I want to remind you today that you are fine, you are not forgotten, and you are not less valuable because you are prioritizing peace. And so today, I want to get a little bit more practical. So it is choking peace. Ecclesiastes 1, where it's basically a time to give every job. It's just a season now.
Okay. And
That will change the way you do everything. That will look like God's formed you in your mother's womb. I knew you. You just need to be held by that truth from that God. God has never let go. Let it go, let it go. Breathe deeper, trust longer, and live slow together so that you do not have to.
I'm thinking to do my hair while this. I'm watching a church program now, but so I'm currently trying to make my hair. I'm thinking of doing like 2 big braids, or maybe 2 here, so 4 or 6. Let me pause this. So maybe I'll do like a 4. I'll see some inspo on TikTok and just see maybe what I want to go with. But yeah, this is my hair. It's growing. It's just the middle part there. Story for another day. But it's growing. But yeah, so I'm thinking of maybe making that 4 cornrows, Ghana weaving, something like that, with the remaining blonde attachment I have, or extensions I have. I would not carry you guys along, but when I'm done I'll show you guys the results. Bye. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm going for my yearly blood work and I'm just wearing something very simple. The top I got from Shein and the skirt from Shein as well. And I'll just carry a small bag and I would then go to do some grocery shopping. I'll carry guests along probably, but I would not be carrying my camera. I'll just carry my phone, then do some snippets of my shopping. I usually go to an Asian store where I get most of the things I need, like vegetables, fruit, protein, cauliflower, yada yada yada. I haven't done any, I'm not putting on any makeup. I'm just putting my niacinamide and sunscreen. Then I'll be heading out and yeah.